Hello, my name is Michael Kirichenko. You're watching SkyWay News, in which we report on the developments and implementation of breakthrough transport technologies. From today's release, you will find out about the creation of a new administrative unit of the SkyWay Design Organization, about the staff development in embracing advanced technologies, the implementation of calculations and design, about testing new vehicle driving modes at test sites of EcoTechnoPark, about design works related to the expansion of production facilities and the construction of the SkyWay Innovation Center in Sharjah, United Arab Emirates, and about the progress at transport complexes construction sites both in the Middle East and in Belarus. And now about all this in more detail. A new administrative unit has been formed inside the SkyWay Technologies company. The Capital Construction Office includes specialists and departments that will carry out and supervise the construction of all facilities of SkyWay transport complexes in the Republic of Belarus and abroad, which means in perspective all over the world. A new group of engineers of the design organization has been trained in the basics of strength calculations using the finite element method based on the 3D experience platform. This knowledge allows reducing the time to create new products due to a more detailed study of components and parts at the early design stages, as well as improving the quality of the company product. In SkyWay EcoTechnoPark, work on debugging automatic modes of the rolling stock movement has entered a new stage. The analysis of failures carried out, their classification was created within the framework of the approved safety concept. Systems for adjusting intervals and ensuring safety when vehicles move in a virtual coupling were debugged. For the first time, the work of the system in this mode is planned to be demonstrated at EcoFest 2019, which will be held in August this year. Guests of the festival will be able not only to see the work of the SkyWay systems, but also to make the trip personally. Due to the need to increase the production capacity regarding the plans for the development of the SkyWay technologies on the transport market of the Middle East, the Design Office has begun to develop a new industrial facility, which will become part of the SkyWay production base. Finishing works, laying of networks and landscaping of adjacent territories are underway at other industrial facilities and in new administrative buildings. Design documentation was developed for the first stage of the second phase of creating the SkyWay Innovation Center in Sharjah, which includes the construction of a cargo and passenger complex with a rigid track structure and a new type of rolling stock, including vehicles for the transportation of 20 and 40-foot sea containers. The documentation was transferred to the consultant in the United Arab Emirates to adapt the project for compliance with the local standards. Construction work at all sites went as planned. One of the already erected transport complexes was modernized with the aim of obtaining new data on the operation of the systems that will be used in the future commercial projects. Work continued on the construction of two fundamentally new SkyWay transport complexes in Marina Gorka and Sharjah. This is our traditional brief report on the main events in the life of the company of the past week. Follow the news update at our official website. Sign up to our YouTube channel. Support our project while there is still time. Build SkyWay. Save the planet.